Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you some ways to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time. If you have been trying to create an Apple ID and encountered the frustrating message, your account cannot be created at this time, you are not alone. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force reboot your iPhone. If you're encountering the Apple ID cannot be created at this time error, sometimes a simple force restart on your device can resolve the issue. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear. So slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is create Apple account using the App Store. If you get your account cannot be created at this time error when trying to create an Apple ID via your iPhone settings, for this open the App Store on your iPhone and tap My Account button. Next, tap Create New Apple Account and follow the on-screen instructions to create the Apple account by providing required details such as email, phone and password. Next, I am going to tell you create Apple ID on a different network. By switching to a more reliable network, you may be able to bypass these problems and successfully created your Apple ID. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, if you are on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi available or vice versa. Once connected to the new network, open Settings app and then attempt to create your Apple ID again, and you are done. And the next step is try a different email account. If you are prompted that the Apple ID cannot be created at this time, it could be due to issues with the email addresses you are trying to use. In this case, switching to a different email address may resolve the issue. Some users have reported success by switching from Gmail to Outlook or Yahoo. It is highly recommended you try it as well. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to Settings. Next, go to General option and choose Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on download and install the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And also you should change from phone call to text message. Sometimes the issue occurs during the verification process when Apple tries to confirm your phone number. If you see a phone call to send verification code, switching to a text message can sometimes resolve this problem, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.